Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, doing another video today. And yes, in today's video I'm going to test out the front cameras on the Galaxy S9 Plus. Look at the background. What y'all think? I don't know, y'all let me know in the comments. It looks pretty good so far. I'm shooting this in 2K, which is nice because I'm glad Samsung at least goes to 2K. They could do 4K I guess, but a lot of manufacturers don't. The Essential phone is about the only phone I think that actually does it in 4K. But y'all let me know how this looks. Look at that tree. Bam, how does that look? But y'all definitely let me know. I'm going to do a front-facing camera in 1080p. So that way we can compare the difference. How do I look in this light? Bam, the sun's in my eye that way. But y'all let me know how everything looks and sounds. Again, I'm just holding the cameras. So, yeah, not too much. I don't think stabilization is on because I'm shooting this in 2K. But, man, it actually looks pretty good so far. But I have to get into, wait until you get to the computer, check it out. But again, I'm going to come back with 1080p, see if that makes any difference. But y'all let me know in the comments below. Just give me a second, I'll be right back. Okay everyone, so this is in 1080p, 30 frames per second on the front camera of the Galaxy S9 Plus. Almost said Galaxy Note for some reason. But y'all let me know how this one looks. Look at the clouds in the background. I don't know. Did they really fix these cameras on the Galaxy S9 Plus? More tests will tell us that, but so far they look pretty good to me. But will they beat out the Pixel, the iPhones, or even my HTC U11? Who knows? More tests to come. Check out everybody's channel. I know people will be dropping videos, smaller YouTubers at night, because, we do great content. But y'all let me know how this looks. How do I sound? How do I look? Look at that beard. Man, looking nice. Looking nice. But let's go into this tree. Let's see if I can get this thing to focus. Woo! Do y'all see any type of focusing problems? I don't know. I can't really tell. I can't see it. But y'all let me know how that was in the comments. If you like this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. If you new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button for more coverage on the Galaxy S9 Plus. But until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.